Brooklyn Hospital has been keeping Brooklyn healthy since 1845. Today, we're a safety net teaching hospital serving about 1 million Brooklynites in northern and central Brooklyn. The main issues that the contact center was facing that it was decentralized. So we wanted to improve patient experience, we wanted to centralize scheduling desks and ability to monitor call volume.
The Brooklyn Hospital Center had a contact center where we used some outdated technology. We had a hunt group. So that would mean if a patient called, it would just go from one phone to the next phone until someone answered. You wouldn't know if someone was on hold, how long they had been on hold. If the patient spoke Spanish and even pressed 2, you may get an English staff person and it would yell across the room, "Hey, I have Spanish on the line."
ShoreGroup came in, they gathered all the requirements. They had staff on site to kind of assess the existing call center. We had 2 systems in place. One was a legacy Nortel system, one is a Cisco call manager. And so just their ability to kind of travel between the different pillars, traditional PBX versus the IP-based phone systems, were tremendous with their sort of expertise on how to combine the two. ShoreGroup became a trusted advisor in many ways. They brought a tremendous sales and support team. They brought incredible engineers that were experts, tremendous project management, and an ability to align IT strategy with business goals were tremendous.
ShoreGroup has been wonderful to work with. I think they were really open to say, "Sheila, Brooklyn Hospital, what do you need? What do you want? What is going to make a difference for you and your patients?" And by really asking and taking the time to understand, they were able to present solutions that matched.
We had 3 objectives with this project. We wanted to increase appointments to drive revenue, decrease no-show rates by 5%, and decrease the overflow expenses by 25% by the end of the year.
Before the technology, it was difficult to find out where the call was coming from, so we had to ask a whole bunch of drill-down questions to find out what type of appointment, where the appointment was supposed to be made at. But now with the technology, we'll get a pop-up on our screen, and it can say Women's Health, so we can answer the phone accordingly. It would say, "Good morning, Women's Health, how may I help you?" And we can schedule the appointment that way. It's been a tremendous help.
Working with ShoreGroup allowed us to update our technology where we can currently see how many people are on hold, what languages they're in the queue for, how many calls we've answered in the day. And that is absolutely needed in order to give the patient the best customer service possible.
This new technology is allowing us to have 2 types of outbound campaigns, voice and SMS, so we're able to reach patients and kind of remind them of the appointments. Also, we were able to convert all of their offsites to Cisco voice so we can control the call between different offsites, so we have an ability to transfer the call back if the patient needs to speak to a provider. So this wasn't possible before. I honestly underestimated what it would take to deploy a contact center to Brooklyn Hospital. Our project manager kept us on time, bringing the right resources when needed. After this project, we've been on the phone so much that, we became friends.